everyone, this is our trip in Bali, Indonesia. This is all expense paid trip by FWD Philippines Insurance. My wife Gemma qualified with this Bali High Adventure incentive trip for 4 seats. That's why we had the chance to travel abroad together for free. Yes, for free. Before we go to Bali, I'm thinking that Bali is a beach paradise. But when I was there, I realized that what makes Bali beautiful is their well-prepared culture. We arrived in Bali around 1 o'clock in the morning at the Denpasar Airport. But still, the hotel Grand Hyatt Bali able to welcome us warmly. By the way, Grand Hyatt Bali is a 5-star family beachfront resort in Nusa Dua. Our room in this hotel is more than expected. Kaya eto, room tour muna tayo. On our first day, we take our breakfast at the hotel before going to our first destination, the Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot is a rock formation off the Indonesian islands of the Bali and the home to the ancient Hindu pilgrimage temple, Pura Tanah Lot or the Tanah Lot Temple. We arrive at Tanah Lot at lunchtime, kaya naman kumain muna tayo sa Di Jukung, which is also in the Tanah Lot vicinity. After that, we have to walk to see the famous Tanah Lot or the Sea Temple on rock. Hindi nga lang natin nagawang tumawid o pumunta talaga sa Tanah Lot Temple because of high waves and tides. After that, we transferred to Black Cube Village to see their decorated village hall and watch their traditional performances. From Black Cube Village, we experienced the Volkswagen ride going to our next destination. Actually, itong Volkswagen ride ay ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga safari tours. But this time, we used it as service going to our next destination. An extraordinary motorcade experience from Black Cube Village to Plataran Ubud. In Plataran Ubud, the Balinese themed dinner at Plataran is waiting, where short food parade is performed and the rindik presentation while eating adds cozy feeling to the beautiful place. On the second day, daytime is free time. With allowance from FWD, we choose not to go outside so we can explore the hotel and the Nusa Dua Beach. the Bali Collection, a walking distance pasalubong center near our hotel. And that night, the fellowship dinner happened in the Karangasam Ballroom inside the Grand Hyatt Hotel. At syempre, ano pa nga ba, party after dinner, such a wonderful night. In morning, we had to check out and return our room key to reception area. But since our flight going to Manila is in the evening, the FWD still set on tour for us. After checking out, we go to Garuda Wisnu Kencana Cultural Park. GSW is known for the ultimate destination for seeking an immersive cultural experience in Bali, and took lunch at Jandala Restaurant. After, we ride a buggy for a tour at GWK Statue Tower. After that, we gave us free time to Plaza Wisnu. Next up is the Golden Rabbits Coffee. This is a well-known coffee brand in Bali and also best known for their luwak coffee. Syempre, before the tour ends, we went to several pasalubong area. One of those is the Keramjang. In this place, you will undergo a different shopping experience. Buying pasalubong in the Keramjung, we took our dinner at Wanaku Restaurant, where a Chinese buffet dinner is served. to another pasalubong center which is the Krisma Toko Ole Ole Kas Bali, where you can find local products of Bali. Among all the pasalubong center we visit, this is the place where we find cheapest merchandise. Kaya naman, kung sakaling bumalik kami ng Bali o pupunta kayo ng Bali, alam nyo na kung saan kayo dapat bumili ng mga pasalubong. After that, we drove to airport for our arrival. And that is the free, different, and wonderful tour at Bali, Indonesia.